Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia. It's Friendship Any Day hosted by Dale from Not Too Shabby Chic. I'm back. I finally picked up some happy mail from my PO box. Super excited to share it with you guys. Again, big thank you to everyone that's taken time to send some wonderful holiday mail. I am truly blessed and I'm so excited. So let's start off with the first one. We also have our cute little dragon guy. This is something we had gotten from Japan as a little souvenir. It was part of a mochi dessert. And so we're going to put him right there in celebration of the new year. First card here is from Crafty Mama Diaries. Now, Helen's channel is a wonderful place to look for wonderful inspiration when it comes to using your stamp kits, your cards. She does different sketches for different iterations of how to mix and match different dies and stamps and how to create your cards. Look at this beautiful one. It says, Dear Santa, I regret nothing. And we have a cute panda. I love the nesting die cuts that she put here. Some enamel dot. And look at this. I love the border with the faux stitching. Let me read this real quick. Oh, that's so sweet. It says, hope your day is stuffed with joy. Love, Helen Crafty Mama Diary. So thank you very much. The next one is from Petey Pie Designs. And here it is. Look at that amazing holiday card. I love it. She has little presents here with these dimensional stickers and this penguin. Let me open this up. She's also added some extras. Thank you so much. This is so sweet. What a wonderful message. And she's added some of these stickers. I'm still finishing up my December daily with my final entries and hoping to do a flip through very soon. Have you guys finished yours? I know some people have done their flip throughs and I'm still playing catch up. So I'm excited to add these wonderful stickers. So thank you so much, Lori. I just love it. And again, I'll be listing everyone's channels down below. So if you'd like to check it out, this, please do. The next one is from Kathy's Favorite Things. And if you guys know Kathy, she's the host of Tea Tuesday and a lot of open collaborations here in our crafting community. So thank you so much. This is a beautiful card. We have this Christmas tree and there's some stickles on it. Love that. And inside it says, Dear Karen family, best wishes of a joyous Christmas and the new year, filled with love, happiness, and prosperity. Oh, thank you so much, Kathy. But she sent another card. So let me see what this is. I'm not sure. It's a thank you card. Yeah, it says, bless you for your kindness. And I love that teddy bear. We got some extras here. It says, thank you so much for joining for the Love of Packaging Challenge. I really appreciate your friendship. Oh, you are so welcome. It's so much fun when she hosts her yearly giveaway. And she has kindly added some strawberry shortcake stickers. This is one of my favorite characters. We have a candy corn. And then we have a couple of these kind of Halloween, like themed stickers, I think. It says like a spell type thing that you can add to a Halloween themed journal or project. So thank you very much. The next one is from Melissa from By Mimi with Love. And Melissa, again, is another inspiring crafter here. And she's super funny. I love it. So she did some, what do you call it? Wax seal here. I love that. Let's see what she sent. Super cute. Let me read it. Oh, here it is. Hi, Clarissa. I'm wishing you and your family a very happy... Oh, thank you so much. And then there's a beautiful little sentiment at the bottom there. What a cute card. She's also included a little ATC. And it says, here we come, a caroling. And during the holiday seasons, one of my favorite memories is singing and also hearing the carolers come by to the house and sing. So that's super awesome. This next one, let me just see, it's from Dana. So I'll put Dana's channel down below too. And it's Peanuts. Oh my gosh, let's see what she sent. Oh, how cute. I love Snoopy, Charlie Brown, and the gang. It says, "Behold, I bring you good tidings of great joy." That's super sweet. So, dear Clarissa, and then she's greeting us. And her channel is Butterfly Crafts and Crochet. So thank you so much, Dana. That was so sweet of you to think of me and my family. And you can see that the dimensional side here for this sticker, it's so cute. I love it. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for my Snoopy Town haul. I have a little share of what we ended up purchasing from Japan from that particular store. I think you guys will love it. We have another card from a really wonderful, very talented friend, Rosie Creative Wings. It's been a while since I heard from you, and actually I have not. I wish I had more days to watch everyone's videos, and as you know, we try to keep up. We have so many crafty friends now. So Rosie, thank you so much again for taking time. Look at this beautiful card. You can see that there's a little window there. So let me open it up. She has a little note, and I'll read that. So she's kept it blank, which is awesome because I can definitely use this in my journal. I'm gonna go ahead and read this off camera. Oh, that's cute. I love how she did this. Season's greetings. What a wonderful message. So Rosie, thank you very much for that beautiful card. And last but not least, we have a card from Liana from It's a Deal, and it looks like a holiday card. So we see the holly, and then let me see what she said. And there's some goodies in here. Oh, and this is perfect for the upcoming holidays. It says, "Clarissa, wishing you a blessed Christmas and Happy New Year." Thank you, Liana. I'm wishing you all the same. She has added some, you know what's coming up, Valentine's. And so these will be fun to add to our upcoming projects. Look at these heart dice. And then, oh my gosh, we have these Valentine Nomies. Oh, I love this one. That's super cute. That is awesome. Thank you so much for sharing these with me. And next time, I'll be doing a separate video. I have received my prize mail from Cornflower Crafts, so I'll be sharing that with you in another video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little post-holiday mail that I received from such wonderful friends. I'm actually going to be working on sending probably some New Year cards because I wasn't able to send out my Christmas cards to a lot of friends and family. So I'm going to be doing that sometime this week. So still catching up. Again, guys, have a wonderful week ahead. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.